Hey guys, Redstone is back, and since so many of you asked for it, I'm making a tutorial on this elevator. And just to be clear, this is not my original idea, this is just my design, and the idea comes from Minecraft PG5. And if you haven't, do subscribe to them, cause they are two awesome guys. I'm warning you that the commentary in this video is going to be very crappy and boring and basic and derpy and whatnot, because I'm not putting effort into commentary. The amount of resources that you'll need depends on the height, so there is no list for it. Let's just say you'll need a lot. Imagine this lapis as the bottom entrance to the elevator. You wanna dig a 9 by 11 by 5 deep hole in front of it, and make sure there are no chunk borders right here, because if you have chunk borders where the elevator is, you get problems. Now in this corner you wanna place a redstone block and 4 repeaters out of it, all on 4 tick delay. Then block, redstone torch and another repeater in that direction, again on 4 tick delay. Now comes a very complicated circuit, but don't get scared because this is the most complicated part of the entire elevator. Take 5, redstone, 4 ticks, 4 ticks, 3 ticks, slab, slab, piston, block, redstone, redstone on a block, 1 tick, piston, block, redstone, repeater, block, redstone, redstone, 3 repeaters, 4 repeaters, block, redstone, repeater, redstone, repeater, redstone, 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 redstone on a block. I'm glad that's over. Now let's connect that to the button, which goes right here. You wanna have a torch back here and a piston on the side, then redstone block, redstone below and another piston. And now if we press the button, that circuit should activate. Now get this redstone up to here, and this is where we start our redstone staircase. It goes to the side, 1 back, and we want to cut this off, then 1 block and 3 repeaters, then redstone on a slab, redstone on a block, and 5 repeaters back. And then there's another slab, and this repeats. And you want to repeat it 5 times. So once you got that, you want to go back down here and start another wire with a slab, and then like that, and basically connect this back end to the front. Like this, and repeat this 5 times. Now extend each one of these with a redstone dust, and each one of these with a repeater. I forgot about that earlier. And now make that checkerboard pattern that you probably noticed on the elevator, something like that. And yeah, it also extends in this direction. This is gonna be hard to build in survival, you can already imagine it. Without flying. Yeah, repeat something like that. Also make it 5 wide, and at the bottom here it looks like that. Now, what brings the signals to the 4 sides of the elevator? Start off by this redstone that this repeater powers, and on this side have 2 repeaters. On that side you can save a piece of redstone by doing something like this, and then on this side just bring it to there into a block, and on that side save another redstone, do something like this, and also bring it into a block at the end. And you're gonna want to put a repeater here facing into a block, and a repeater there also facing into a block, then a repeater here facing into a block, and then into a redstone dust, and same on this side. And blocks here, and these 4 blocks are what powers the pistons in the middle, the pistons of the elevator. Every other layer is going to be different. From this block have a repeater facing into some redstone like that, and around this corner don't worry about wires connecting, because you'll stack these 2 layers on top of each other and this is gonna get cut away. Anyway, you do something like that, and whoops, here you have 2 repeaters powering these 2 blocks, and as you can see this will power the pistons in the middle, and the other 2 blocks you wanna power are here and there. You power that kind of like this, and same on the other side. Still following? There we go. And block here. That's what it should look like. Now repeat these up to here. Don't need this stuff. You'll have to build it. I'll do that using MC-Edit. Now you're gonna hate to hear this. You need to repeat this and this and this and this and that way up to our 2nd floor. And if that's not bad enough, right here you'll need to start repeating another circuit. It doesn't actually start here yet, it starts at the next slime layer. Anyway, because of the circuit you'll need to extend the checkerboard 1 block, so it's 6 wide, and the circuit is what I'm gonna build out of green wool right here. Yeah, that's gonna get cut, and this is the circuit. 4 repeaters, redstone, and then it's the same thing back. Oops. 4 repeaters. Yeah, and then it repeats. It's pretty simple, and there's no way I'm doing that now, because I have a built elevator right here, and I can show you that this yellow circuit stops at this point. This is I guess 2 blocks below the next floor, and yeah, I'll show this from different angles so you get some idea of how exactly to stop repeating it. And the rest of the circuits keep repeating up to 7 layers, 7 blocks above the next above the top floor. On the very top you need to fit in this orange circuit somewhere. It doesn't really matter where it is, and I'm not gonna build it. You can just see how it's made. These are all blocks and pistons, and most of repeaters are on 4 ticks. There are 3 ticks here, 1 tick, 1 tick, 1 tick. These slabs are important, and connect these to the dark green circuit to the top of the dark green circuit. And it's up to you how to connect these to the down button right here. Doesn't really matter exactly how you do it. I did it like this: torch, torch, 4 repeaters, torch, torch, and then it comes here. Finally, if you want them, you can have call buttons. You connect the upper call button to the same input as this up button goes to, and you connect this call button to that down button. How you do it is up to you. I connected this lower call button up like this through a torch tower, and this call button goes up here. Again, this is totally up to you. It goes down using pistons and redstone blocks. That's one way of transporting signal down, and I used it because it's compact and it's instant. And then just connect that to here, to the beginning of this circuit. I am recording this after I finished editing the video, because I forgot 2 steps. The final steps, the most important ones. First of all, fill in all these holes with whatever block you want. You can't fill in these holes, so just do that if you want to hide the redstone. That's why I have these stripes at the original elevator, and also you can hide these repeaters by making a wall here. Don't need this pillar though, and same on the other side. But anyway, the other thing that I forgot is that you need to build the actual elevator. I don't know how I forgot that. Anyway, normal pistons, sticky pistons above them, more sticky pistons, and more normal pistons. That's the easiest way to build it, because the pistons need to face in the correct direction. You can't place it like that. And then you need 4 blocks on top, trapdoors 4 blocks high. Gonna open the trapdoors, same on the other side, and on top put 4 blocks. If you put slabs, it's slightly bigger, a bigger room. That's kind of a cheat. Yeah, but we don't want to build that yet. First we want to put pistons here, and I'm gonna put some helper blocks up there so I can place these, and the final 2 pistons come here. There we go, I broke that, and these 4 slabs, fill in the gaps, and yeah, that's kind of what the elevator is gonna look like from inside. You might be wondering why this villager has been in a cage the entire video. That's because he ruined my showcase video of this design. You can watch that video by clicking on his nose. You can also watch PG5's video of their design by clicking the up button, and you can also click the call button to watch their old video about this kind of an elevator, because they made it a long time ago.